Hey there, future YouTube millionaires. Welcome to Cash Mojo, where we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels that are raking in serious cash. If you've ever dreamed of YouTube stardom but aren't quite ready to put your face on camera, you're in for a treat. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for YouTube success. Now, let's explore 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas that could potentially make you millions. 1. Tech review and unboxing channel. Our first $1 million idea is a tech review and unboxing channel. This niche has enormous potential, with some tech channels pulling in millions of views per video. To create a successful tech channel without showing your face, focus on high-quality close-up shots of the products. Use a professional voiceover or on-screen text for explanations. Be honest and thorough in your reviews, and stay up to date with the latest tech releases and trends. The key to standing out in this crowded niche is to find your unique angle. Maybe you focus on budget tech, or perhaps you specialize in comparing similar products head-to-head. Whatever your approach, make sure your content provides real value to your viewers. 2. Health and fitness channel. Next up, we have health and fitness channels. These have exploded in popularity, with people always looking for new ways to improve their well-being. To create a successful health and fitness channel, focus on demonstrating exercises or techniques without showing your face. Use clear, instructional voiceovers. Create themed series like 30-Day Fitness Challenge or Healthy Meal Prep Ideas, and consider collaborating with fitness experts for credibility. Remember, consistency is key in this niche. Aim to post regularly and build a loyal following who tune in for their daily dose of fitness motivation. 3. Science animation channel. Our third $1 million idea is a science animation channel. This type of content combines entertainment with learning, making complex scientific topics accessible and engaging. To succeed in this niche, choose specific areas of science to focus on, like astronomy, biology, or physics. Develop a unique animation style. Research thoroughly to ensure accurate information, and collaborate with scientists and experts in your chosen fields. The beauty of animation is that you can explain abstract concepts visually without ever showing your face. Plus, well-made educational content tends to have a long shelf life, continuing to generate views and revenue long after it's posted. 4. Gaming walkthrough channel. Gaming content is huge on YouTube, and you don't need to show your face to create engaging gaming walkthroughs and reviews. Here's how to make your gaming channel stand out. Focus on clear, high-quality gameplay footage. Provide insightful commentary and tips. Create content for both new releases and popular classics. Consider specializing in a specific genre or platform. The key to success in this niche is your expertise and personality. Even without showing your face, let your passion for gaming shine through in your commentary. For our fifth $1 million idea, let's delve into the world of paranormal and mystery content. This type of channel caters to viewers' curiosity about the unknown and unexplained. To create a successful paranormal channel, research and present intriguing cases and stories. Use atmospheric visuals and sound effects to create mood. Develop a signature narration style. Balance skepticism with openness to possibilities. The key to standing out in this niche is thorough research and compelling storytelling. Create series like Unsolved Mysteries of the Week or Paranormal Phenomena explained to keep viewers coming back for more. Our sixth idea taps into people's desire for financial freedom. A make money online channel. This niche has huge potential, with viewers constantly seeking new ways to boost their income. Here's how to make your channel successful. Provide actionable, step-by-step advice. Use screen recordings to demonstrate online money-making methods. Create content on various topics like freelancing, investing, and online businesses. Stay up to date with the latest online earning opportunities. The key to success in this niche is providing real value and proven strategies. Be transparent about the effort required and avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Food content is always popular on YouTube, and you don't need to show your face to create mouth-watering recipes. Enter the world of hands-only cooking videos. Here's how to make your cooking channel stand out. Focus on clear, well-lit shots of the cooking process. Use high-quality audio to capture the satisfying sounds of cooking. Create a mix of quick recipes and more complex dishes. Experiment with trendy foods and dietary options like vegan, keto, and more. The key to success in this niche is presentation. Invest in good lighting and camera equipment to make your food look irresistible. Our $8 million idea is a personal development channel. This type of content has a huge audience on YouTube, with people constantly seeking inspiration and advice to better their lives. Here's how to create a successful personal development channel. Develop a unique voice and perspective. Use inspiring visuals or animations to accompany your words. Create content around specific themes like productivity, confidence, and success. Include actionable advice that viewers can implement in their lives. The key to success in this niche is authenticity and impact. Even though you're not showing your face, your content should feel personal and relatable. For our 9th idea, let's take to the skies with a drone footage and RC remote control channel. This type of content allows viewers to experience breathtaking views and exciting RC adventures. To create a successful drone and RC channel, invest in high-quality drones and RC equipment. Learn to capture stunning aerial footage. Create content around RC races, stunts, and reviews. Stay updated on drone regulations and safety guidelines. The key to standing out in this niche is creativity in your shots and the uniqueness of your locations or RC setups. Our final $1 million idea is an ASMR and relaxation channel. This type of content is perfect for people looking for stress relief and better sleep. The best part? You can create engaging ASMR content without ever showing your face. Here's how to make your faceless ASMR channel successful. Film just your hands. Hand movements are a major ASMR trigger. Set up your camera to focus solely on your hands as you perform various actions like tapping, scratching, or gently manipulating objects. Create audio-only ASMR. Some of the most popular ASMR content is purely auditory. Invest in a high-quality microphone and create immersive soundscapes. Film objects rather than yourself. Focus your camera on objects that create satisfying sounds. Shoot from the neck down. This allows you to perform more complex ASMR triggers while maintaining anonymity. Use animation. Create animated ASMR videos for a unique twist. The key to success in this niche is quality and variety. Your sounds should be clear and immersive, creating a relaxing experience for listeners. Remember to invest in high-quality audio equipment, create long-form content, develop themed playlists, and engage with your audience to understand their preferences and favorite triggers. By focusing on these faceless ASMR techniques, you can create a successful channel that provides relaxation and tingles to millions of viewers, all while maintaining your privacy. And there you have it, folks. 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas that could potentially make you millions. Remember, the key to success on YouTube isn't just about the idea, it's about execution, consistency, and engaging with your audience. Before we wrap up, I want to introduce you to an amazing tool that can supercharge your YouTube journey. It's called Tube Magic, and it's a game changer for content creators. Tube Magic offers features like video idea generation, title optimization, keyword research, and even AI script writing. It can help you find trending topics, optimize your uploads, and even write your video descriptions and tags. To learn more about Tube Magic and how it can help you grow your channel faster, click the link in the description below. Lastly, if you're serious about building a successful faceless YouTube channel, I highly recommend joining the #1 Faceless YouTube training program. It's completely free to join, and you'll get access to in-depth strategies and techniques that have helped countless creators achieve YouTube success. Again, you'll find the link to join in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who's interested in starting a YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on YouTube success. Thanks for watching, and here's to your future YouTube millions. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.